So hello friends, in today's video we are going to discuss MUX colorless MUX CMD 8x24 to CFIM2 connectivity. So how this CMD 8x24 and CFIM2 is physically connected we will see in this video. So let's start. So you can see here I have taken this part of the circuit DWDM signal flow to show the connectivity between the CCMD 8x24 and CFIM2. This is CFIM2. So we will focus on this blue area. So in this video, we will discuss about CCMD Cross 24 to CFM2 physical connectivity. Both as CFM2 and CCMD Cross 24 physically connected, physically presented at the same location. That's why we are saying that MUX colorless MUX CCMD Cross 24 to CFM2 physical connectivity at the same locations. So CFIM2, basically CFIM2 is used to pass through the traffic within different degree quad group. Different degree quad group is means if you are talking about four equipment or four component for one quad degree and four component for the different quad group, so these two will be the different quad group, and CFM2 is used to connect dash two different quad group with each other. So CFM2 is used to add drop traffic used to connect RLA and CCMD across 24. So from RLA switch ports, we can drop the channels to the CCMD across 24 by using this CFM2. So CFM2 has, we can use the CFM2 is in two way, the first and two. So let's see the circuit diagram. So I have taken this 3WDM signal flow, or you can say the CDC connectivity signal flow, in which we will focus on this CCMD across 24 to SIM connectivity, physical connectivity, how the CCMD across 24 is connected physically via the CFIM2 and which ports are involved in this physical connectivity. So you can see this is the CCMD across 24 to CFIM2 physical connectivity, in which we have seeing this is the CFIM2 NMS view. You can see this is the physical view. Our CFIM2 can physically look like that. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 port. These all are MPOs port. You can see this is the line diagram. Port number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These all 8 ports are the MPO ports. And you can say this is the circuit diagram. So here you can see MPO port 1 is connected to MPO port 5, 6, 7, 8. Means MPO port 1 is connected the 4 MPO, another 4 MPO port 5, 6, 7, 8. So whatever the traffic is coming port 1, it can go to port number 5, 6, 7, 8. Whatever traffic, or you can see the channels coming on port number 2, it can go on port number 5, 6, 7, 8. So port number 3 is also connected, port number 5, 6, 7, 8, and port number 4 is also connected, port number 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can see here all these 4 port are connected to these 4 port. So port 1 is connected to port 5, 6, 7, 8. Port 2 is also connected to 5, 6, 7, 8. Port 3 is also connected to 5, 6, 7, 8, and port 4 is also connected to 5, 6, 7, 8. These all are the MPU ports. So this is a 12 fiber MPU ports. You can see. So one fiber pair is used to connect each port, and two fiber pair is not used. So here you can see this is a CCMD cross 24 diagram. This is a physical view of the CCMD cross 24. You can see it. These are CCMD cross 24. It means we can use up to 24 channels and can use up to 8 directions. So you can see there is a 48 port, and for each channel corresponding to 2 port, 1 port is out, 1 port is 2. So for channel number 1, port number 1, 2, you can see it is utilized. So you can see 48 port. It means we can use 24 channels, and you can see this is common port 101 and 102, and these port is used for 8 directions. So this is the NMS view. You can see this is a line diagram, this is physical view, this is the NMS view. So let's see now how to physically connect it. This is CFIM 24 and CFIM2. So you can see this is CFIM2, this is 8x24. This is the first CCMD 8x24. You can see this 101 common port is connected to port number 5. This is second CCMD4, and this 101 port is connected to port number 6. This third, you can see in the same way you can connect third and 4 CCMD ports. So port number 5, 6, 7, 8, we can connect up to 4 CCMD across 24 via these ports. So this is for the drop. And this 1, 2, 3, 4 port, these 4 port is connected to 4 different RLA for degree quad group 1. So via this port number 1, port number 1, we used to connect first RLA, port number 2 we used to connect second, and third, fourth. So I have already made a different video from CFM2 to RLA connectivity. You can see there to confirm and identify how these ports are connected to with the RLA. So in this video, we will focus on connected CCMD across 24 to CFM2 connectivity. So you can see this port number 5678, which we are using for the drop, we can use to connect 4 different CCMD across 24 via this 567 port. So now this 102 port and this 2 port is connected for different another 4 degree. So this port is connected to different CCMD CFM2 card. So here you can say it is connected to second CFM2 port 5 to 8 for next 4 degree. So in the same way, we will use one more component of CFM2. We'll connect this port to port number 5, 6, another CCMD request 24 to 6, and in the same way, in the second CFM2, we will use to connect 5 different 4 different CCMD request 24 for the next 4 degrees. And you can say in the same way to the second CFM2 port 5 to 8 for next 4 degrees. So like you can say, we have one CFM2 and another CFM2. So 101 or 101 port of 4 CFMD across 24 is connected via 5, 6, 7, 8 of this first CFM2, and 102 means 102 port of 4 different CCMD across 24 is used to connect another CFM2 port number 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is like how physical connectivity between the CCMD across 24 and CFM2. Thanks for watching.